Well, hello! Today I'm going to be removing some black mould that you can see here on a wall of emulsioned wallpaper. Now before using the spray, you might want to test it on a small area first, a discrete area, just to make sure it doesn't do any damage. Spray it on and leave it for a while you go and do something else. You'll need to ventilate the area because this particular chemical is quite harsh if you get it on your lungs. If you are asthmatic, you would be advised to wear a mask or at least a handkerchief over your face, just something to stop you breathing so much in. Spray it on and leave it. It's a good idea to have something else to do while you're waiting for this to take effect. This particular chemical smells a lot like a swimming pool, and that'll be the chlorine in it. It's one of the reasons why they use chlorine in swimming pools, because chlorine is a good mould and fungal suppressant. Wipe it off with a dry cloth after a couple of minutes and see what it's like underneath. HG mould spray that you can see me using here is actually a thin bleach. So what I do is I make my own using a value bleach from a local supermarket and dilute it on a 50-50 ratio, so that's 50% bleach to 50% water, and that's what I'm actually using in this trigger spray here. It might say HG mould spray on it, but I'm recycling the plastic bottle and refilling it with a 50-50 solution. Wipe it off again and see what it's like underneath. Then give it another spray. I'm doing this on a wall where the flooring is lino. It's a good idea to put cloths and paper down between the skirting board and the flooring to protect any carpeting from discoloration from the bleach. If you're doing this in a bathroom, spraying it onto tiles and grouting, those kind of areas, you might need to scrub it in between the tiles into the grouting. Wipe it off again and see what it's like underneath. Then give it another spray. You will need to bear in mind that this will not work on silicone. If you've got mould in the silicone seal around your bath or your shower or your sink, you will need to strip that out eventually and replace the seal. Give it a final wipe, and there you go. That's the wall, cleaned and clear of mould. Okay, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe by clicking on my head, and here are some other videos you might like. See you soon, bye!